Hello, welcome back to PERT and CPM. Today we'll make network for these given predecessor relationships. We have activities ranging from A, B, C, D to L. Then there are certain predecessor relationships. Before we go ahead and make this network, let us get on with our initial analysis. Our initial analysis checks who will start and end our network, and also if at all there are any cases of dummies. Let us check who will start this network. Here are my three activities who do not have any predecessors, so they will start the network. What all are those? A, B and C. They will start my network, right? So let me put over A, B and C over here. Who will end my network? How do we check? Let us scan this predecessor relationship. All those activities which are not featured in this list will end my network. Like A is here, B is here, C is here, D, E, F, then G, H, I, J. Up till J everybody is here. So K and L are not present in this list. So K and L will end this network, right? So my initial analysis suggests that A, B and C will start it while K and L will end it. What about dummies? Let us go ahead and check. A, only one instance, good. B, only one instance, very good. C is seen at two places with different companies. At one place it is with B, while at other spot it is all by itself. So this is not allowed. Wherever you are seen in a predecessor relationship, you should be seen in the same group. If you are here alone, you should be alone everywhere, but no, you are breaking the group, you are going and joining B. So what do? I'll make a dummy of C. That will resolve my problem. Okay, so A done, B done, C done. D is only one instance. E is there at three places, but each time it is alone. A, B, C, D, E, F is alone at one spot only. G is at one spot only. H is at, everybody else is at one spot. G, H, I, J. So we'll have a dummy of C only. So now let us start with our network. A, B and C should start my network. Remember, it is not at all necessary that our first network would be the correct one, final one. Let us see how it all shapes up. A, B and C can start straight away. Then D is from B and dummy of C. D is from B and dummy of C. I already know that it will be a dummy. Right? So before even making it, I have a good idea that it will be a dummy. So B and dummy of C will give you a D. Then E is coming from A. E is coming from A. F is coming from C. But if we could look forward, F will combine with H. So F is coming from C. Let us take it over there. F is done from C. G is coming from E. And we know that it is going very far. G is coming from E. H is again coming from E, but it will combine DF. D and F are here, so H will come and combine over here. So D, F and H are combining to give me I. So let us proceed with I. This is I. And J is coming from E to meet I. So we have this. I and J will proceed to K and G will proceed to L. So this is my network. Fine. Let me check. This almost looks like a fair one, so we'll not spoil it. Let us check if this is the correct one. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K and L. According to me, A, B and C are dependent on no one. D is waiting for B and C. E is waiting only for A. F is waiting only for C. G, H and J, they all are waiting for E. I is waiting for D, F and H. D, F and H. K is waiting for I, J. And L is waiting for G. Let me check if I have this correct relationship. Dash, dash, dash. Very good. Then there is a B, C, A, C. B, C, A, C. Very well. Then two of those next activities are dependent on E. Very good. Then there is a DFH. Then there is an E, IJ and G. So my network is correct. We want to check it once again. Here we have our network once again. We have a dash, dash, dash. Then there is a BC, then A, C, E, E, E. Then there is a DFH, E, IJ, G. DFH, E, IJ, G. So we have exactly same relationships that we were expecting. So this is our network.